Welcome back to Triple Down Gaming, everyone. We are on episode number 8 of our 10-part series here, testing out the Iron Cross strategy. Again, for those just joining us here at Triple Down Gaming, we are all about teaching individuals and gamblers, testing out different strategies, going through different entertainment series as well, and, just going through tutorials on how to play each game that you may encounter at the casino. Again, the more educated you are, the better off you will be, typically. So with that, again, we're going to go into our episode number 8 here of the Craps series, testing out the Iron Cross strategy specifically. To kind of start us off, again, these being stacks 25 and our 5s, 100, $111. So we are at quite the loss here so far. Again, started off very strong, but unfortunately did take a downturn in these last few episodes. Again, and this is a $15 minimum table, so without further ado, we're going to get right into it here. We are putting a pass line out every single time. Obviously, you don't always have to play the pass line to bet the numbers and that. But since we are the shooter, we're putting a pass line out there. We're going to take a couple dice here and pull the remainder back. Five. No field 5 there. So 5 will be our point. We will start throwing out our chips here. Again, 15 on the field. We'll throw 18 on the 6 and 8. And we are covering the 5 there with the pass line bet. So without further ado, let's keep going here. 2 crap 2. Field pays double there. Good start. Let's see what we can keep it up. 10 hard 10. The field will pay as well. And 5 fever, 5 easy. And that will be a loss on our field bet there, but we have it covered with the pass line. And that will be hitting our first point. And we will grab the dice for the next roll here. 8 easy. That we'll pull 3 off there, move the 15 over to the 5, and see what we can't accomplish here. 5. Again, we will lose the field there. $5 or $15 place bet on the 5. That will pay us 7 to 5. 21 for a net win of 6. 9 Nina. Field pays there. And we will hit the point again. Hit the point at 8. And that'll be a loss to the field, but covering that with our pass line. And we'll go for our next roll. 5 again. 5 easy. 5 fever, actually, because there's no way to hit a hard way 5. We will move our $15 place bet on the 5 over to the 8. Throw another 3 out there. And keep it going. 8. 8 easy. It'll be a field loss. Hitting 21 though for a net of 6. 8 again. Again, field loss. Covering with the 6, or covering with the $8 place there for a net of 6. 8 hard ways. Another field loss, but we will cover it with the place bet. 8 again. Halfway tempted to press it up, but again, we're keeping everything at the status there for the simulation purposes. 6 easy. That'll be a field loss, covering it with the place bet though. Yo 11 field winner. I'll actually grab another stack of our 5s here to replenish. Four easy. That'll be another field win, as those will keep stacking up. 8 hard. Covered that again with the net win. 6 covering the field. Nope. 9, Nina. Be a field win. And 7 out, unfortunately, right there. We'll pull all of that down, unfortunately. Throw another 15 on the field. Hit the 8 there to set our 4th point here. And we will again put out our chips here. $18 on the 6. Nine Nina. Field pays. And unfortunately, we will hit a 7 there right away. Getting kind of back into our old rhythm of our former episodes. And getting really hit hard. And then we will move into our fifth and final point of the night here. Actually, we're gonna... ten hard ways. We will hit the 10 right there. We will start putting our chips out again. $18 there on the 6 and 8. We'll cover the 8 there. Cover the 8 again. And we will hit a 7, unfortunately, again there to kind of wipe us out again. It's a sour end to episode number 8 here. So we will see where we are at here again. I don't think it's looking too good. Again, that is 50, 70, $75. So we are really scratching down to the bottom of the barrel here at the end of episode 8. Hopefully we can hit quite a few more points there. Put us in a better position in episode number 9. Make sure to tune in for episode 9, everyone, and see how this remainder of this test of the Iron Cross strategy works out.